Hey guys, this is gonna be probably a part 2, because I just can't fit all this video into one thing. So I'm gonna open up my monitor. Alright. Come on. Very careful. I got it. Open here. Alright. Alright, this is the monitor. Alright, it's huge. Let's see. I'm guessing this is the DVI to VGA. It's just a VGA cable, but I don't need that. Alright. This is a DVI to DVI. I need that. Maybe HDMI now. There's this power cable. Right. How do you expect it to be in fucking 3D or fucking whatever? So that's that. And now for this big boy right here. Oh shit! It's actually holy shit. That's the stand. And this, guys, is the actual monitor. Let's take it out. It's huge. Damn. This thing is massive. Is the thing on top of it? No, why didn't they put the fucking thing on top of that? Whatever. So you guys can just wait there. Use this to power. Your phone jack, smart view, support for that, full HD LED. Alright. Supports HDMI, which I'm probably going to be using. Alright, let's put this on. Is that a Phillips head? No, that's a... Oh, we can use that. Nice. Alright. I'm going to do massive editing to this video, because it's taking way too long. I'm sorry, but if I had my other one, this would take less time, because I would just put it on a tripod. This is my phone, so I actually need to. I keep going out of focus. Fucking this shit off. This shit. Oh, there's just 4 minutes. Holy shit, yeah, I'm gonna split this into 2 parts. It's fucking long. It's massively goddamn long. Right. So I need to put this. Oh shit. This needs to go. Yeah, it's covered. Alright. This thing needs to go on top of this. Like that, I guess. I'm gonna stick it in. Yeah, like a dick. There we go. I need to do this. Sorry, guys. Fuck. Sorry, guys. I had to get my other camera because my phone was dead almost. So, come on, fucking autofocus. That's my monitor. It's massive. All right. Do it so I can see it. Actually, fucking doing this. All right. So that's my computer up there. All right. And take this monitor, stick it up there. So this is shit. I'm not gonna. Yeah, it's just the order. So that's. Fuck. All right. So that's my computer. This thing's fucking massive. It's huge. All right. I don't know what I'm gonna do. How do we take this off? Like this. Fuck. Alright. So what I'm going to do is take out this. Alright. Here's the box. Here's the mouse. Of course you guys want to see the mouse. I didn't go for a gaming mouse, I just went for a regular old file station mouse. Old style fashion. This is to hold your headset, like it goes right there. This is, what does that even do? Oh, hanger. How do you pull that out? I don't even know. Whatever. Fucking shit. I need the key. Did the key come with this shit? Oh, it probably came in here. Yeah, this is all this shit. Alright. I can't show you some of this because of course they would lock it, right? It's locked? Motherfucker. Alright. Alright, they leave it unlocked for you. So that's fine. Leave it unlocked. It's got a side panel window. eSATA port. Does that say it? Yeah, it says eSATA. Sorry about the lines. 2 USB 3.0s. this is a high, low for your fan speed, and that's a fan LED light to control the lights in your fucking computer. Now this right here is a Blu-ray multi-disc DVD-ROM rewriter. I didn't go for a big ass thing. These are just extra case fans right here, whatever. Here's the power switch. It's a reset button. Whatever. I don't even know. 2 USBs. Headphone, microphone, 2 other USBs. That's to unlock the front panel things right here. The bays. I probably have one in the first bay. Does this thing have dust? And sitting on the fucking... Okay, alright. Assholes. Alright. Alright, hey guys, Sick Tony aka Maniac Beast here. I'm just done with my, fixing my gaming computer. I still need to put this back in because I took it out. This thing goes right in there. Alright. That's all my shit. Papers and shit. That's all the stuff extra. Plus the webcam, plus all the cables. CD and drivers, which I probably don't need. And this is a DVI cable, which I'm probably going to need, but I'm going to use an HDMI. So I'm going to show you the inside of the case, and I'm going to do this here. Turn this monitor around. Alright, so all you do is press this button, and you can just open up the case. Come on. Hold on. I've had my trusty flashlight here to show you. What the fuck? Not even fucking glowing. Alright. That is the cooler right there. Goes to a tube up to the 240 millimeter fans that are up top there. I have just one. That's the 16 gigs of memory. That's the NVIDIA. That's the EVGA GTX 580. That's the motherboard. Right. That's the 240 millimeter fan, I think. Not too sure. That's the exhaust fan. Which there's this thing outside here. I don't know if you can see it. Turn this off. I don't know if you can see it, but this thing over here switches the fan. You want to go up to the straight or just down. I'm going to leave it like that right now. That's for my gaming headset. My gaming headset's going to come in like 3 days because it's back ordered. My 2 terabytes of shit is right here. That's 1, and that's 2. This one's for data. This one's my regular one. Alright, that's connected to the power supply. Everything's connected, I think. Not too sure. Alright, that's the inside of my case. I'll show you a little detailed later when it's on, but not now, okay? This concludes the video for my build.